Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective drink that lowers high blood pressure. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add a teaspoon of Carom Seeds. This Carom Seeds fight bacteria and fungus, improves cholesterol levels, lowers blood pressure, prevents coughing and has anti-inflammatory effects. Add half teaspoon of Cumin Seeds to Cumin Seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effects, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Then add 1 cup of hot water. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. Close it with the lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to the same mug. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy drink to lower blood pressure is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this healthy drink that lowers high blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To begin with, let's go and pick some fresh oregano leaves. Just a bunch of 4 to 5 leaves should be good. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add the oregano leaves. Then to this add half teaspoon of Carom Seeds. This Carom Seeds fight bacteria and fungus, improves cholesterol levels, lowers blood pressure, prevents coughing and has anti-inflammatory effects. Let this boil for 2 minutes. Oregano is a natural antibiotic, lowers cholesterol, is a powerful antioxidant, treats yeast infection, improves gut health, have anti-inflammatory properties, helps to relieve pain and has anti-cancer properties. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this add half teaspoon of Cumin Seeds. Let this again boil for 2 minutes. Cumin Seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps to treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fight bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effect, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this fat cutter drink is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the oregano, Carom Seeds and Cumin Seeds has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. Then strain the fat cutter drink and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away for best results. This drink improves your metabolism and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.